Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Mariner Finance customer service. First you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there is address bar. You need to type down marinerfinance.com and enter it. And once you're inside this home page you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from the resources what you can do is you can go to this customer support. And from here, you need to scroll a bit down. Over here, under the customer support, you can find this number, which is 800-999-0334. And you can simply contact to this number for the Mariner customer support about your loans, payments, account balances, application, and other customer services that you need. And before contacting the support, make sure you have your account information ready for your verification and never share your password or security codes. And you can also email them with a question here. And that is it. This is how you can contact Mariner Finance customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.